In this review, we take a closer look at the Phefop solar light controller board with remote control and microwave motion sensor. This module is designed for 3.2 volts and 3.7 volts batteries, commonly used in solar streetlights and garden lighting. It offers a range of features that make it a versatile upgrade or replacement part for DIY enthusiasts. First, the powerful remote control and timing functionality. The included remote lets you control your solar lights from a distance. You can set precise timing schedules, adjust brightness levels, and switch between lighting modes without touching the fixture. This provides convenience and energy management for your outdoor space, allowing you to customize lighting based on your daily routine. Next, the advanced microwave human body sensing. Unlike traditional PIR sensors, this microwave induction technology can detect movement through various weather conditions and obstacles. The sensing distance ranges from 5 to 10 meters, offering wide and reliable detection. Your lights will activate exactly when needed, enhancing security and providing hands-free illumination for pathways, yards, and entryways. Now let's talk about battery compatibility and installation. This control board is compatible with both 3.2-volt lithium-ion LFP and 3.7-volt standard lithium batteries. It's ideal for modifying, repairing, or maintaining integrated solar street lamps and garden lights. However, note that this board does not include overcharge or discharge protection, so your battery must have its own protection plate. In terms of performance, the controller handles an LED voltage range of 2.8 volts to 3.3 volts at 2.2x and accepts a maximum solar panel input of up to 40 watts. These specifications ensure efficient power conversion and reliable operation. You can confidently upgrade your solar lighting system with this module, knowing it can manage substantial energy input and deliver strong, stable output. Finally, adjustable brightness and dual induction modes. You can adjust brightness remotely. The board combines light control induction, dusk to dawn, and motion induction. After motion is detected, it provides high brightness for about 25 seconds before dimming or turning off. This smart dual mode optimizes energy savings while offering automated, intelligent lighting. In summary, the Phefop Solar Light Controller Board is a feature-rich module that enhances solar lighting systems with remote control, motion sensing, and energy-saving capabilities. It's a solid choice for DIY projects or as a replacement part. Consider your battery's protection needs and installation requirements before purchasing.